couple other cool things you might want to do with breakout rooms is I might choose to put people in breakout rooms automatically. Now, if I open it up for the second time, you'll notice it remembered the last breakout rooms that I did. So if I already made a breakout room earlier in this lesson, it's going to automatically want to put things in the same groups, which might be what I want. Or down here at the bottom, I could tell it to recreate this, and I could go through that same process again. So this time, just do it automatically. 2 participants per room, recreate these rooms. It shuffles them around again, and then again, I could tell it to open those rooms. It also remembers the settings that I used last time, so if I needed to tweak or change those, I could do that. Now, I'm going to go ahead and open all of these rooms here, and when I open these rooms, and it divides everybody back up into their breakout rooms again, let's say I join this room right here. And if I join this room, they have the ability that if they are in this room, they can actually ask for help. So if they are a participant in this group, they can actually ask for help if they need it. So if they're stuck on something and they need help, they can ask for help if they want. And the way that works, so let's say I'm sitting here in my main session and somebody in one of the breakout rooms needs help. They can tap a button to request help. And when they do that, you will actually get a message that pops up on the screen that tells you, hey, a student has requested help. And then there's simply a button that you'll click that will join that room and take you directly into the student requesting help's breakout room. So here we go. Somebody requested help in breakout room 2, and all I will do is jump back and simply hit join breakout room, and it will take me directly back into that breakout room. And then I can ask them what's going on, what do you need help with, and jump right into it. Once I solve the problem, I leave the room, go back in to the main session. Now, another thing that happens in the main session, let's bring everybody back here. So let's close the breakout rooms, bring everybody back. Once everyone is here and everyone is in my main group, again, which again just takes a second for them all to get kicked out and everyone to get reconnected. Here they go. If I needed to add somebody again, let's say somebody didn't make it back. Somebody did not come back after that. The student could go back. The best thing for them to do actually is just to go back to their, however they access that link, and then just click on it again. And then again, they'll either rejoin immediately, or if they had a waiting room set up, then you will have to let them in again. If you have started breakout rooms already and students join after the fact, after you've already assigned groups, you will have to simply go to your breakout rooms list, and then you'll have an unassigned group of people who aren't in a group, and you can simply add these people to one of these groups if you need to be able to do that. You can also add another room later if you need to be able to do that for a special purpose. So another cool thing you can do with breakout rooms is you can actually put kids in their own room. So if I wanted to, I could simply put students in breakout rooms, and I could choose to decide, hey, I have 4 participants, I'm going to put them in 4 rooms. So there's going to be 1 participant per room, it'll tell you at the bottom. And so if I create breakout rooms this way, it puts 1 person in each room, and when I tell it to, again, adjust my settings if I need to, and then open all rooms, everyone is in their own breakout room individually. So they can work on their own. If they need to switch apps and jump into something else, they can do that. If they need to, maybe they're going to switch back to Canvas to watch a video on something, and then they're going to come back to the group. Or maybe they're working on an assignment on their own, and everything is just kind of self-guided. Maybe I'm going to go through here, I'm going to mute my mic, and then I'm going to go and simply start working, just hopping in. And while they're working independently on whatever project it is that they're doing, I can hop in and say, hey, I'll hop in a student's breakout room, and I'll simply check in on them and say, hey, how's it going? Do you need any help with anything? Everything going good? Everybody happy? No problems? You understand everything? All right, that's good. All right, let me know if you have any questions. And then you leave the room, you jump back to that main session, and then they can keep working. Again, they also have a button in that breakout room where they can ask for help. So if they need to ask for help from the student or from the teacher, they can do that at any time. So since they are in individual breakout rooms, they can go ahead and ask for help anytime they need to. So even though we are not whole group or meeting whole group, no one is talking. Everyone has their microphone muted. Again, I could even mute all their mics first before I put them in breakout rooms if I need to. They're in their own independent room. They're doing their own independent work, but they can still ask for help if they need to, and you can still hop in a heartbeat just to check and see how everyone's doing. So, and then whenever you're done, again, you can close all rooms, and then it brings everybody back to the whole group.